everyone, so I'm in Wisconsin at the moment. I'm at the Petro off exit 333. They got the Taco Bell and the Blue Badger Bar and Grill inside. So I just went inside some food. So I'm gonna give it a try. I got a burger and some fries. So this is the food. I didn't get nothing but a regular cheeseburger and some fries. They got a lot of seasoning on their fries. Yeah, them fries, 10 out of 10. And then she gave me like this bacon jam drizzle something. I don't know. Something that's on the burger. But I probably not eat it though. But I'm gonna try this burger. Let's try this. So this is the burger. It's pretty big. Hold on. Wait a minute. Y'all, that burger and them fries together, a 10 out of 10. Like, the burger is seasoned, like very seasoned. It got a lot of seasoning on the burger and the fries. Y'all, if y'all ever come to Wisconsin, please stop at Blue Badger Bar and Grill at the Petro off exit 333. It is paid parking, but you get the park free for the first 2 hours. So it's not going to take 2 hours to eat no food. So come here and stop here and get your burger and some fries. Like, for real. Y'all, I literally, like, I'm definitely coming back. Yes, I took that drink down through there. I was very thirsty.